Thinking about buying the Steadfast Haven CO detector? Hold up, let's talk. You've probably seen those emotional ads showing firefighters like Matt Brennan warning you about the dangers of carbon monoxide. But here's the thing, those firefighters, they're AI generated. The stories? Completely made up to make you panic and buy fast. And when you dig deeper, things get even sketchier. The address listed on their ads, usually somewhere in Sheridan, doesn't actually exist. Their phone numbers. Good luck getting a real person. Most calls go to automated messages or just ring forever. But what really matters with a carbon monoxide detector is safety. The Steadfast Haven device doesn't show any proof of meeting UL or CSA standards. These aren't just stickers. These certifications mean the device has passed real tests to keep your family safe. Without them, you might as well be trusting your safety to a magic 8-ball. Plus, if you search on Facebook, you'll see hundreds of identical ads, all run from personal blogs instead of real company pages. That's a giant red flag. So, what should you do? Experts say stick with brands that have a real track record, like First Alert, Kitty, or Google Nest Protect. These are tested, certified, and available at big-name stores. Before you buy any safety device, always check for a certification emblem and a real model number on the back. Don't let scare tactics trick you into wasting money or risking your family's safety on a product that might not even work. Stay smart, stay safe, and always do your homework before you buy.